Hey everybody, thanks again for joining me today. I'm supposed to be Maui, not Troy Polamalu. The wig's getting in the way here. Well, this is it. This is the final week of our celebration of Halloween and spicy candy. And this is the Raspberry Rain. It's a challenge bar from Willy Pete's Chocolate Company. And the rules are pretty simple. You get, well, you eat it as fast as you can for one, but you have to wait a 10-minute time. And then after that 10 minutes is up, you get a 5-minute afterburn. If you don't do that, you don't complete the challenge. And you get no drink or anything, no relief. Let's open this thing up. We'll take a look at it before we do this. I'm actually kind of nervous about this. I've been kind of dreading it for a while. And I can't see anything because I don't have my glasses on. Matter of fact, let me put my glasses on here so I can see what I'm doing. It's a half-pound chocolate bar, very similar to the Moab I did last year. And it looks pretty much the same. And it's a big thing. It smells pretty good though. I can smell the raspberry already. There's supposed to be Carolina Reapers and the raspberry jam that's inside of this. And Carolina Reapers, I guess, in the chocolate also. So, this wig is not going to work here. I'm going to take this thing off. Alright. I'm gonna break it up, quarter it here, and unfortunately I can't give you a look at the raspberry because it's inside these little cubes here. And my wife's gonna give me a countdown, and I'm just gonna go for it. You ready?
Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Chocolate's more of a challenge than I thought it would be. Whew. Not super hot, but hot. Chocolate's tough to chew. Flavor's not bad. I don't know if I can do it.
Yeah, 5 minutes and 55 seconds.
Yeah, I don't know if I can do this. The chocolate's just too much. It's not the heat, it's the quantity. Oh! I'm out. Can't do it. Oh, I tried. Just couldn't do it. It's too much chocolate. I'm lactose intolerant too. I know that's just an excuse, but that much chocolate that fast, I should get sick. Ugh.
You need a bucket?
Not yet. She's asked me if I need a bucket. I just couldn't do it. I tried. Gave it my best shot. Whew. I really wanted to finish it, but chocolate's just too much. I thought I could do it.
What if you take a minute break?
Oh man, I don't know. I don't think I can do it. It's just too much. It's the chocolate. It's making me ill, like physically ill. Oh. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Have a safe and happy Halloween. I'll try to get better at these challenges, but man, just too much chocolate too quick. My system can't take it. Oh. Again, thanks for joining me. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Click that notification bell for new videos come out. Oh, Lord. Getting rough. Oh,
You don't need a bucket.
I might need a bucket here in a minute.
Are you serious?
I don't know where I was at. Thanks for clicking, or thanks for click that notification bell for new videos come out. Give me a like and a share, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Happy Halloween, everybody.